Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it is Monday, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, your Monday Meds. All right, so yes, it is Monday. It is Monday, and it is the last Monday of February. Can you believe it? The last Monday of February? Like, really? That is surreal. Like, that doesn't make sense. Anyhow, this video will be quick. As many of you know, it is election day here in Jamaica. Happy election day. J.A. Happy election day. We have been talking about dealing with depression. Dealing with depression this month. And I know many of us get depressed around this time of year or this time of or electoral system in Jamaica. As many of you know, there's party colors. So Jamaica has one of the most colorful election season. A lot of music, a lot of campaigning and excitement, drinking. And we hear of some people who fell off and died on campaign trails and what have you. And so it is colorful, like the colors behind me, colorful, exciting, and one of the system that we have here in Jamaica, the electoral system, is has gone through the Caribbean. And so because of the standards, the high standard or standards of the electoral system in Jamaica, and yes, thumbs up to that, thumbs up, thumbs up. All right, so how do we deal with the election season? How do we deal with election? How do we not get depressed? And yes, really and truly, we should have done this video before election day, but yes, you can still watch it, right? And you can still learn something from it. Number one thing that I would share with you about not being depressed around this time of year is that if it feels overwhelming for you, just stay away from it. Period. That is what I think. But you have your choice because it is your God-given choice to vote if you choose to. All right? So that's your choice. But a lot of people get depressed around this time because there is sometimes violence. Like, many Jamaicans take election very serious. They talk about their party and their party colors, their party whatever. My encouragement to you out there, let us have a clean, fair, and peaceful election season. Yes, it is possible. I know it's local government election today, so where we as a country select the councillors for the different constituents and the different areas. But listen, let us have a peaceful one. We don't want no crime, no killing, no stealing of ballot boxes and them stuff. Let's show that we can have a peaceful election season, or peaceful election day. And that's my encouragement for us. So yes, if it gets overwhelming for you, just step back. That's actually one great way of dealing with things that stress you out or depress you. Just step back for a while and try to process it and get your bearings, and then you can go back and look at it. Sounds like a good idea? If you think so, drop it in the comment section that yes, it's a good idea, it's a good approach. And if you think of any other, if you have other approaches that you would like to share, definitely share with us. So as we wrap up Monday Meds today, I'm reminded of the passage that Jesus says, "My peace I leave with you, not as the world gives, do I give to you." So remember, whatever is going on around you, no matter how turmoil, how the storm shakes, no matter how the sea rage, Remember, Jesus said he leaves you his peace that passes all understanding. So I pray you'll have a wonderful day. Have a great day wherever you are, whether you are in JA or USA or CD or CA or Canada, wherever, UK, wherever in Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, wherever in the world, Sierra Leone, wherever in the world, even if you're in Alaska, you're in Mexico, wherever in the Caribbean you are, Trinidad, Barbados, wherever, have a safe week ahead, and God be with you. To support our ministry, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.